Hi, this is KLX Gematria. Today's date is the 26th of March 2022. And previously I uploaded a video about the Foo Fighters. Was he a musician who died? I forget his name, Taylor something. So what I'm going to show you is, basically my last video was, thanks to Casey Jones, he did like an astrology decode on how many Mercury years he is and all that. So I thought, okay, I'm gonna do a video where I'm gonna talk about this man's age. He's on Earth. He is 63 years old. So I'm gonna use this website here. This is exploratorium.edu, and we're going with his date of birth. Now this, maybe I didn't explain it properly the first time, but basically when you use this calculator, it only works when someone dies recently. Like if someone died this year, anyone died this year, it works great. But if you use it for someone that died 10 years ago, then you're gonna end. No. If you use it if you try to use it on Malcolm X, you're gonna get a different date, a different year, because you'll end up getting how old he is now. It doesn't. You can enter the birth date, but you can't there isn't an end date you can have. You can enter. You can only enter the start date, but not the end date. It only deals with the start date. But anyway, so Scott Hall. In Martian years, he is 33 years old. 33 Martian years. Masonry's 33. And in Neptune, he is 0.38 years old. Like Russell, I probably already mentioned this before, but I'm going to mention it again. 0.38 years. Neptunian years. WrestleMania 38, Murder 38. As I'm going to show you now, if I can go to the calculator. Mars, let's talk about Mars here. I'm just going to put that out there. I don't know if I should write it as planet Mars or just Mars. I'll write it as Mars. Yeah, Mars and Neptune. Yeah, and look here. Chaldean. Let me go Chaldean. I think the Neptune's important for me. So as you can see, Scott Hall. Sorry about that. I do apologise. I think my voice that had a sore throat is recovering. So in Chaldean cipher, Neptune is 38. Scott Hall in Neptune is 0.38 years old, and the word murder in gematria is 38. Murder's 38 in the reverse full reduction. Neptune is 38 in the Chaldean cipher, and I'll talk about Martian years as well. Masonry is 33. Just want to find what other ciphers Mars might have, if there's anything. No, I'll stick to Neptune anyway. So as I was saying before, in Martian years, Scott Hall is 33 years old. In Martian years, 33. Masonry is 33. and oh yeah, let's bring up his death date actually, because that is always important. Yeah, he died. Yeah, died on the 14th. So okay, 14th. All right, he died on the 14th. Oh man, am I gonna lose? Oh, I hate when that happens. Gotta do that all over again. Mars, Neptune, Masonry. Honestly, I don't know why it does. I don't know why. It can be very frustrating that happens. Yeah, get the fuck away, man. Honestly, stupid. Sensitive mobile phones. So in Neptune years, he's 38 years old. So 0.38 years old. And Murder's 38, like WrestleMania 38. Mars, he's 33 years old. Or 33. Mars. Mars. And Masonry is 33 as well. So I'm going to save it just in case I lose the damn thing. Now back to this website I was using before. It'll load up. Bloody hell. Alright, put my 4G on. I mean, I was going to use a 4G because, you know, because the Wi-Fi is weak outside. If I was inside, it would not be this weak. 20 10 1958. So let me just, yeah, Mars is 33, like Masonry 33. Neptune's 0.38 years, like Murder 38. Mercury is 263. Not 263. We're talking about Mercury, so he's 263 years old. 263 years old. 263. Yeah, in Mercury years, he's 263 years old. And 263 is a 56 prime number, like Society of Jesus 56. So again, another 56. And also, in Mercury years, he's 263 years old. And 263 is the 14th Fibonacci number. He died on the 14th. So we can, so basically that. So okay, let me just tap that. So I want to save. So in conclusion, I'm outside. Basically, I'm outside Azador. So I just want to do this real quick before I have to go. Mars, as you know, 33 years. Masonry is 33. Neptune 0.38 years of Scott Hall's age. And Murder is 38. And in Mercury years, he's 263 years old. 263 is a 56 prime, that's Society Jesus 56, Microchip 56. And the 14th Fibonacci number, 263 years, Mercury years old. And he died on the 14th. So again, I might, you know, if I don't include planets in my decodes, I think I'm going to do them separately from my actual decode. Because this is very, very interesting stuff. One of my inspirations of this research is Casey Jones, because he does a lot of astrology in his decodes. So that concludes. There you go. See you all.